Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is November 12th, 2019. Happy Tuesday. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. So you may be seated. Celebrating some birthdays today, we have kindergartner Henry Salazar. Happy birthday, Henry. Natalie Diaz-Elias in first grade. Happy birthday. And Emily Santos in third grade. Happy birthday, and don't forget to come and grab your birthday treat. Rattlers are respectful. Today we'll treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Also, do not show disrespect with gestures. And our vocabulary word of the day today is blustery. So it's a roar and to be tumultuous and cold, strong like wind. And I actually found this in one of my favorite books, this word blustery, yesterday if you were at dismissal and we were running students to the car line and back. It was a blustery cold day. And I actually found this in one of my favorite books about Winnie the Pooh. Pooh Bear is one of my favorite cartoons and book characters. And that's why I named my dog Bear, because Pooh Bear. But he's talking about it looks like a rather blustery day today. It seems that it may turn out to be looks like a rather blustery day today. And so if you can look at the tree and the way that he's walking and the way that his scarf is blowing, you'd see that it's like a strong, cold wind. All right, some announcements for today. Today is Tuesday. That means you return to your homeroom for academic block. Also, take some time to look at your uniform. However, if you are out of a uniform because you're staying extra warm today, that is 100% okay, because I'm so just happy you're here today, and I am glad that you dressed extra warm. Some announcements. So today, good luck our third grade readers. You guys are taking your ELA test today. Good luck. Also, some announcements about the food drive. Make sure that you're bringing in those canned goods and things like peanut butter, mac and cheese, those dried potato boxes, any of those ready meals that do not perish or aka go bad. And we will be collecting those for the next couple of weeks. Yesterday was a rough day for attendance. So we had 45 scholars out on Monday, so that means we only had a 93.3% attendance, so we did not meet our goal. But today is extra chilly, so if you are here, thank you so much for being here and being on time. And I have our fun health fact of the day. Exercise will actually give you more energy even when you're tired. So sometimes when you're feeling extra lazy, it's actually because you just need some physical activity. So going on a quick little run, or even doing jumping jacks, or running in your place, or dancing and jumping up and down at recess actually will give you more energy. Also, we have our attendance challenge coming up again on Friday, so if you were here all week, you will be entered in that. Another reminder that we have our second grade Winter Wonderland dance for all ages on December 13th from 5 to 7 p.m. It is free to get in, but tickets cost $1. Now please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Ready and go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. And remember to make it a terrific Tuesday. That choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to dodo a message or call parents of the students that are out. Hope you all have a really great day and to stay warm.